Uh, it's been a pleasure and a privilege to interact with the students of Galgotias University today, and I want to thank the university and the institution for inviting me, not only to be able to interact with all the students who are wonderful, energetic young students who want to be startups and entrepreneurs, creators, but also seeing the facilities. I think this is a world-class facility with tremendous investments being done in various departments of engineering for innovation, for promoting entrepreneurship, and for getting the young students acclimatized to the changes that are happening in a technology-driven world. I was particularly impressed with many of the labs here in the Center of Artificial Intelligence and Data Sciences, the EV labs, the drone labs that I saw, the optometric labs where people get a chance to work with the latest of optometric instruments, the AI labs where there are a lot of the iOS and the Apple lab. I think these are investments that have been done with long-term planning in mind and making sure that the students here get an opportunity to learn about the technologies of tomorrow. I do hope that the students avail of all of this in a very constructive and in a very integrated manner in their studies so that they can become the potential job creators of tomorrow. I also enjoyed the interaction session through a topic that is very, very relevant to our country, from campus building and campus startups to an innovation nation and nation building activity. And with the Viksit Bharat goals in mind, 2047 goals in mind, all of this can come together beautifully by our young students taking initiatives, building startups, building entrepreneurial organizations, and giving the best of their capabilities for the welfare of the nation, the well-being of the people, as well as the well-being of the world.